Now children, question number 5. See what is given. The total value with GST of a remote controlled toy car is 1770. Now here the total value of that remote control is given. What is the meaning of this total value here? Means taxable amount and GST together it is given 1770. In previous sums we have seen that they have given separate GST is how much, taxable value is how much. Here total value is already given 1770. Rate of GST is given, it is 18%. You have to find out taxable value number 1, number 2 CGST amount, and number 3 SGST. See, taxable value you will get when the GST is given. So first in this case we will take the amount of GST from our side as rupees X. So first what you will write here, let the amount of GST be rupees X. Just to take X, what? Amount of GST. And you know that total amount is equal to taxable amount plus GST. This is the formula. Total amount is how much? 1770. This is, we don't know, taxable amount. GST I have taken as X. If I will transfer X this side, so what I will get? Taxable amount is equal to 1770 minus X. Okay. So now you have GST and you have taxable amount 1770. Along with this, they have given the rate of GST, my dear children. Rate of GST. How much? It is 18%. Since rate is given, rate of GST is given, so calculate amount. Amount of GST is what? 18% of taxable amount. Okay, amount of GST we have taken. See this, how much X? So write here X is equal to 18% means 18 upon 100 into taxable amount. So it is how much? 1770 minus X. Write in bracket. Simplify this equation. How you will simplify this? Transfer 100 to this side. So therefore 100 X is equal to 18 multiplied by 1770 minus X. Multiply this, 18 zeros are 0, 18 sevens are 126, so 6, carry out 12. Okay, carry out 12. Then 18 sevens are 126, 126, so it is 138. So you will get 138 means 8. Then 18 ones are 18 and 13. 13 and 18 is 31. 31. And multiply this with this. So it is 18x. 31860 minus 18x. And here it is 100x. Transfer 18x this side. So 100x plus 18x is equal to 31860. So how much is this, children? It is 118x is equal to 31860. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 31860 upon 118. Got it, this one? So this is 31860 divided by 118. Now you should divide it. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. Here you divide this one, 2 1s are 2, then 2 5s are 10, then again 1 2 9s are 18, and 2 3s are 6 and 0. 2 zeros are 0. Now children, 59 is a prime number. Okay, and prime number is divisible by 1 in itself. So you have to divide this by 59. See here I am doing this part, 59 divided by 15930. So 59 twos are first you take, because 59 threes is more than this. So 2 nines are 18, carry 1, 2 fives are 10 and 1 11. Now 9 minus 8 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 5. This is 3, 4 1 3 and 0. 7 nines are 63. If I will multiply 59 by 7, so I will get unit place is 3. So I will check with this. Let here I write 7. So 49 sevens are, how much I will get? 7 nines are 63, carry 6. Then right children, sorry here, first you write 4 on 3. Then 7 fives are 35, 35 and 6 41, correct. So you will get 413, 0 0 0 and this 0 here, so here. So you, what you got? X is equal to 270. Understood children? This is very important calculation here. For 59 is a prime number, so you should divide this number with 59. See here I have done this. So X is, we got 270. What is X? X is the GST, right? Now you have to calculate taxable amount. So taxable amount is 1770 minus 270. So 1770 minus this, you will get 1500 rupees, 1500. This is taxable amount. Next you have to calculate CGST. CGST is always equal to SGST, which is what? Half of the GST. How much GST we got here? GST we got 270. So 270 divided by 2. If you divide this by 2, so 2 ones are, 2 threes are and 2 fives are. So answer is rupees 135. This is the taxable amount and this is your CGST and SGST. So children, once again I am repeating this sum. See here, in this case total amount is given 1770. I have taken GST as rupees X. As you know that total amount means what? Taxable amount plus GST. So write down here 1770, GST as X, transfer this side here. So you will get taxable amount is equal to 1770 minus X. So taxable amount is this and GST is this. As per the question, rate of GST is given 18%. Since rate is given, calculate amount. Amount of GST is what? 18% of your taxable amount. Okay. So 18% of taxable amount. 18% means 18 upon 100. Taxable amount means this. And amount of GST we have taken X. And see how I have done calculations up to here. So you will get your GST. X is equal to 270. And from this GST, you calculate the taxable amount, because your question is calculate taxable amount. And then after that, calculate CGST and SGST. How you will get these two? Divide GST amount, means this one, by 2. So I hope that all of you have understood this sum, children. So children, now question number 6. Tip-top Electronics supplied on AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of the AC is given 51,000 GST. With GST means total amount, previous sum. Rate of GST is also given. Find the following things as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-top. So children, I think this sum is very easy, because whatever I have done, it is same thing. So you have to calculate rate of GST, SGST, very simple. CGST is given 14%, so this is also 14%. Then rate of GST, how you will get rate of GST? It is the sum of CGST and SGST. Then taxable value, you take down GST amount as X. Got it? So I am giving you this sum as a homework. You try this sum on your own. Okay. Now I am coming to the next sum, children. That is question number 7. So just see question number 7. See what is given here. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronics Goods. Okay. The discount, now here the question is discount of 5% was given on the printed price. Prasad got discount on printed price. Printed price is given rupees 40 and discount given by that shop is 5% to the Prasad. And the rate of GST is given how much? 28%. Rate of GST is given, children. Find the purchase price of washing machine, number 1. Also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. Now see here, first thing, the discount is given on printed price. So first what you will do here, you should calculate the printed price, right? You should calculate the discount. So first write here the printed price. The printed price of washing machine, right? Is how much, children? It is given rupees 40,000. The printed price of washing machine is given rupees 40,000. And the rate of discount, children, the rate of discount is given how much? It is 5%. So this discount that Prasad will get on the printed price. Rate is given, calculate the amount. So the amount of discount is equal to what? 5% of 40,000. 5% of 40,000. How much it is? 5 into 40,000. Okay. So, 5 upon 100. 5% means 5 upon 100 into 40,000. So these two get cancelled and you will get here answer 5 4s are 20. So 2,000. Rupees 2,000 Prasad will get as a discount. Okay. So if you will subtract this 2,000 from the printed price, means from 40,000, what you will get? The taxable amount. 5% is a discount. So you should minus it, this discount amount, from the printed price. So here what will be taxable amount? Taxable amount is equal to printed price minus, what is that? Discount. So printed price you have 40,000 minus 2,000. So it is equal to 38,000. All of you understood, children, this sum? Till here 38,000 becomes the taxable one. Now you have to calculate the GST. In this, what is the GST he is going to pay? So rate of GST. Rate of GST is 28%. Rate of GST is 28%. So calculate the amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to 28 upon 100 into 38,000. So these two zero get cancelled. You should multiply 380 with 28. So 380 multiplied by 28, 8 zeros are 8 8s are 64, 8 3s are 24 and 6 30, 2 zeros are, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 and 7. So this is 10,640. Amount of GST is 10,640. This is the amount of GST. Got it, children? So amount we got 10,640 as the GST. But what you have to calculate? You have to calculate here. Find the purchase price of washing machine. So purchase price. Purchase price of washing machine is how much? Taxable amount and GST 38,000 plus how much? Amount of GST 10,640. So this is how much, children, you will get? 48,640. This is the purchase price of that washing machine for the Prasad. Also you have to calculate here amount of CGST and SGST. So amount of CGST is equal to amount of SGST, which is equal to GST. How much you paid GST here, children? 10,640. So 10,640 divided by 2. So how much you will get this? 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are and 2 zeros are 5,320. This is the amount of CGST as well as SGST. Got it? But see once again this sum, children, because this is important sum. In this case, Prasad has got 5% discount from that company or shop when he purchased a washing machine from this Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The printed price of that machine is given here 40,000 and the rate of discount is 5%. So first I have calculated how much amount he got as a discount. So 5% of this amount, 5% of 40,000. So Prasad got 2,000 rupees as a discount. So if you will minus this 2,000 rupees from the printed price, so what will come? The taxable amount. So taxable amount is equal to printed price minus discount. 40,000 minus 2,000, answer is 38,000. This is the taxable amount. Now Prasad has to pay GST on this, right? So Prasad has to pay GST. GST means what? Sum of SGST and CGST. So I have calculated directly here how much he paid as a GST. Rate of GST is given as per the textbook 28%. So this is the rate of GST is given. I calculated amount of GST. Amount of GST is 28% of taxable amount. So 28 upon 100, 38,000. Do this calculation, children. You will get 10,640 as a GST. Got it? But as per the question, what is given there? That you have to calculate that find the purchase price of that washing machine here. So purchase price of washing machine is taxable amount plus GST. Taxable amount plus GST. Add these two, you will get 48,640. This much amount Prasad has to pay to that shopkeeper. Okay. After that, you have to calculate separately what is the amount of CGST and SGST. So it is always same. CGST amount of SGST. This is GST divided by 2. So this is 5320. 5320 is the amount of CGST and SGST.